welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make Maggi Cutlet. A perfect snack for this lockdown season. Very unique and delicious recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan, add in 3 cups of water. When the water is nice and hot, add in 1 Maggi cake. Let this cook for 2 minutes until the Maggi noodles is nicely done. Then drain off the water and let this cool completely. Meanwhile, heat a pan, add 3 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1 garlic pod very finely chopped, 1 green chilli chopped, and 1 onion finely chopped. Saute until the onion turns transparent. Then go ahead and add 3 potatoes boiled and mashed. Mix it well. Then add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, and a sachet of Maggi TASTEMAKER. Mix it well until the raw flavor of the spices goes off. Now it's time to add the cooked noodles. Give it a nice mix and make sure the masala is well spread. Now off the flame and transfer the content to a mixing bowl. Let this cool completely. To a small bowl, I've taken 2 tablespoons of maida, add half cup of water and mix it well. Make sure it's lump free. Now our Maggi masala is nice and cool, so go ahead and pull out a portion and form a smooth ball out of it. Give it a slight press and make a patty. Dip it in MAIDA mixture and coat it with breadcrumbs. Likewise, make all the Maggi cutlets. Now our Maggi cutlets are ready to get fried. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add the Maggi cutlets and fry in medium-high flame. Flip to the other side when one side is completely done. Remove when both sides are nice and golden brown. Now our delicious crispy Maggi cutlet is ready. Very unique recipe, so do try this at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.